Now with this method, you don't have to worry about using the same color thread as the jeans because you will not see the thread with this method. So you have to make sure the ends line up with each other. Okay. So with the stretchy fabric, you might want to go the other way because the part that I cut off was too wide for the pants leg and the seams did not line up, or I had to move one seam. This seam almost lined up, but yeah, it was too stretchy. So you might want to try the other way that I'm going to show you soon. So now that we have the first stitch sewn, we want to close the edges. So with this brother, it's a simple machine. I'm going to use a zigzag stitch, and I'm going to put it to number 2 so the seams can stay tight. It won't unravel. See, the inside isn't that clean, but you could use a serger machine to make it really clean and cut the edges off. But that's one way of hemming your jeans. I'll show you the other way in 24 hours. Until next time, if you like this video, give me a heart and follow me. Until next time.